Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these LED solar spotlights. So we're going to show you guys what they are and how they look. See, how can I open this up so you can see? I don't know if I can open it. There we go. It's by MEIKEE, MEIKEE. And this is what it looks like here. So I'll show you guys what it comes with here in a second. Let's get all these pieces and parts out and I'll show you. So this is the whole kit and caboodle. Comes with a little remote, which is kind of cool, and the instructions. So I'll show you guys all the pieces and parts, and then I will show you what it looks like working. So here we go. So we have the main device here, and it is connected to the lights, and it's a string of lights. So here, this is going to be the control unit, which is connected to the solar panel. So we'll have to put the solar panel like this, so it'll just mount to the ground or something, or just stick it on a tree anywhere, just we want it. So then it can be about whatever that distance is, probably 15, 20 feet from this controller unit, which is the on-off switch. And it looks like it's got a few different modes. It's got the always on, probably a dim and brighter one and whatnot. And then we have it go to each of the lights in conjunction, so you can just keep working your way further and further away from the main unit. Let's just turn it on here and see if we can do that, if it's gonna work. Yep, so this is what it looks like here. They're all on. It's not got enough battery power, I guess, already to make it do something. So this is cool. So this is what it looks like here. And let me just look and see the instructions just to make sure it's right. And I'll show you guys these things here. We are gonna light up some trees with it. So we have this stake here with a big screw on it, which I think will probably be the main one for the panel. So that'll be what we use with the panel. Let me turn off these lights. They're just flashing all over the place. Okay, so there's that. And then we have a bunch of these other ones here, which are probably going to be for the lights themselves. We'll have to fix them together. I guess the different devices are here. A bunch of screws and stuff to mount the control panel to the wall if we wanted to. A bunch of these for the ones to the ground. And then these. Okay, so here we are at night, and a car driving by, but you can see, look at the lights. They're lighting up these trees. Really nice. Each light. So I'll kind of have them out there. I guess maybe the end ones are aimed a little different. I don't know where I got them aimed right now, but you can see it, and these are them. So the solar panel works, and I have the little remote. So let me see what happens if I push the different things to get the different colors, I guess. Or let me see the different device, the different settings and stuff. So we just set it up however. Makes it a little different. So once it's connected there, kind of yellowy, we can screw it into the wall, or those are the three different choices, I guess. Stick it into the ground, which is how we will do it. So cool. I like it. So thumbs up from me. Very nice lights. Nice for the side of the street here for this area, which is super dark otherwise. Okay, so here we are. We hooked up the solar panel right there. The little contraption is there. I don't know if you can see the lights, but we got them strung along here and a bunch of trees. So at night, we're gonna come back here and see how it looks. Okay, so here we are at night, and a car driving by, but you can see, look at the lights. They're lighting up these trees. Really nice. So I'll kind of have them out there. I guess maybe the end ones I'll aim a little different. I don't know where I got them aimed right now, but you can see it, and these are them. So the solar panel works, and I have the little remote. So let me see what happens if I push the different things to get the different colors, I guess. Is that what it does? Let me see. Yeah, so this would be, oh, that makes it a little different. And that kind of yellowy. And those are the three different choices, I guess. So cool. I like it. So thumbs up from me. Very nice lights. Nice for the side of the street here for this area, which was super dark otherwise.